Dear students, we have learned how to solve linear equation in two variables by substitution method and elimination method. Today we will learn how to solve it by graphical method. To understand this, I have selected two equations. One equation is x plus 3y is equal to 6 and another equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Now, for graphical method of solution, we have to first take the coordinates, or x equal to 6 minus 3y. So, you must take three coordinates for each set of equations. We have to select the value of y in such a way that we get the non-fractional value of x. 0 plus minus जोसिकोस् तर fractional हुनु भएन. Fractional plotting we will learn at our class. Now if you put 0 here, so remember one thing, you try from plus minus 1, 0 plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and so on, unless and until you get three coordinates. Suppose if I put a 0, 3 zeros are 0, so x will be 6. If you put y0, you are getting the value of x 6. If you put suppose 2, y2, so 3 2 is 6. If you put 2, 3 2 is 6, 6 minus 6 that is 0. Suppose if you put 3, 3 3 is 9, so minus 9. 6 minus 9 that is minus 3. So this is the set of three coordinates of the first equation. Similarly, for second equation, or 2x equal to 12 plus 3y, or x equal to 12 plus 3y by 2. Here again, you start from 0. 3 zeros are 0. So this part is 0. 12 by 6, that is 6. 12 by 2, that is 6. So it is non-fractional. So if you put for this, if you put 0, you are getting the value of x is 6. If you put 1, what will happen? 3 1 is 3. 12 plus 3, that is 15. 15 by 2, that is fractional. If you put minus 1, 3 1 is 3, that is minus 3. 12 minus 3, that is 9. 9 by 2, that is also fraction. If you put 2, what will happen? 3 2 is 6. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 by 2. So if you put 2, 3 2 is 6, 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 by 2 is 9. If you put minus 2, 3 2 is 6, that is minus 6, 12 minus 6, that is 6, 6 by 2 is 3. So you have got the two sets of coordinates. Now you have to put the values in the graph paper. You know it, origin, x side positive, x axis, x side negative, x prime, y, y dash, this is positive of y, this is negative of y. You have learnt in your class 9. Now, first coordinate is 6, 0. I am taking the big one, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 0 means this point. 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, this one. Minus 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, minus 3, 1, 2, 3. So, you have to join these three lines, three coordinates rather. First I am joining. I have got this line for the first equation. Now in the second equation, 6 0, the same point. 9 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 1 2, this one. 3 minus 2, 1 2 3 1 2, this is 3 minus 2. Again I am drawing this line. So our figure is like this. The two lines intersect at this point. The coordinate of this point is 6 0. So The solution of this equation is x equal to 6, y is equal to 0. This is the answer of these two equations. In this way, you have to solve the equations by graphical method. In the next class, we will start the other thing.